So, Batman versus Superman's out. I've watched it twice. Um, my general thoughts on the film.
You were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them! I hate you!
Yeah, more like that, but maybe not as extreme. Trust me, I don't think it's a bad movie. I just think I don't think it's a perfect movie. It has pacing flaws, and the Justice League theme seems too shoehorned, if you know what I'm saying. You could have made the appearances of the characters in that email much more of like a cameo type. Aquaman, don't show Aquaman except maybe show him when he's like, you should see when he's in the thing, you see his eyes, and it cuts to like a CGI figure way off there, and he just takes off swimming. That would have been cool. You want to see Jason Momoa. Flash, just don't show his face. Like get a shot at the back of the store. You don't see Ezra Miller's face, but you see the whole like thing he does. Cyborg, instead of showing him with his body amputated and stuff, get a shot of the table thing he was on, but instead have it where it's just a black silhouette and his father's behind it, and you see the black silhouette. You can tell like he's missing a lot of stuff. Then he takes the cube around there, then you just hear the guy screaming, and there's electricity going everywhere, and that whole thing. That's a cameo. And you can keep the Wonder Woman thing in there because she has a movie coming out that's filming like right now. We're already done filming. But that is what I think of Batman versus Superman. I don't hate it. I love the music. I love some of the dialogue exchange between the characters, preferably Wonder Woman and everybody else. Um, yeah. If I had to give this a rating, I'd give this a 6 Warfighters out of 10. Yeah, sure. Why not? I'm leaving now. I've said my piece. Bye.